Welcome to Summarize Science, where we dive into the latest research on how technology shapes our world. Have you ever noticed that AI-generated stories or slogans often start to feel a bit samey? This isn't just a hunch. It is a phenomenon researchers call AI-induced idea diversity collapse. Essentially, while AI might help you personally write a better story, it might also be making your story look exactly like everyone else's. This research introduces a new way to measure this crowding effect before an AI model is even released to the public. To understand this, the researchers looked at 3 creative tasks: writing short stories, coming up with marketing slogans, and finding weird uses for common objects. They compared how much crowding or overlap there is in human ideas versus AI-generated ones. They defined human relative parity as the point where an AI is just as diverse as a group of humans working independently. If the AI is less diverse, it means it is pushing everyone toward the same few concepts, which reduces the overall value of those ideas. When they tested top-tier models like GPT 5.4 and Claude Sonnet, they found some surprising results. Every single model they tested fell below the human parity line, meaning they were more repetitive than humans. For example, AI models generated slogans that were much more similar to each other than the ones written by real marketing teams. This creates a blind spot in development because we usually only measure if an AI helps one person, not the population as a whole. The research also found that as more people use the same AI, the penalty for being unoriginal grows significantly. If everyone is using the same prompt for inspiration, the chances of your specific idea standing out drop quite fast. However, the paper offers hope by showing that we can actually fix this problem through better design. One technique involves persona mixture prompting, where the AI is told to write from different personality perspectives. In their tests, asking the AI to act like someone extroverted or open to experience significantly boosted the diversity of its answers. This moved the models much closer to that ideal human parity mark. They also found that simply turning up the temperature of the AI makes it more random and can help reduce the crowding of ideas. This proves that generic AI outputs are not a fixed reality, but a design choice that can be adjusted. To recap, the core discovery is that AI often narrows human creativity by making everyone's results more similar. We now have a way to measure this using human relative benchmarks to see if a model is crowding our collective idea space. This allows developers to fix the problem of generic content before an AI is even released. In the future, this research could lead to AI tools that help us stand out rather than blend in. It represents a shift from focusing on individual speed to protecting the richness of our shared human culture. Thanks for joining us for another look at the future of technology here on Summarize Science.